Hello all, we are Team Aditya from Agni. Our project presentation is writing 20 sentences using the Shabdas, using the words from the table. Here we come up with the first sentence.
Namaste. I am Valmiki.
Aham Valmikihi.
I am telling Ramayana to you.
Aham te Ramayanam vadami.
She is Dasarata.
Sa Dasharataha.
She is Kaushalya.
Sa Kausalya.
She is their son
Is
Ram.
Sah Tayoho Putraha Ramaha.
She is his wife Sita.
Sa tasya patni Sita.
Lakshmana is going to forest with them.
Lakshmanah tau sah vanam gachati.
His brother Bharata is sad.
Tasya brata Bharatah dukit asti.
People cried seeing them.
Tan drishtva janaha roditvantaha.
Sita requests him for golden deer.
Sita tam swarna mrigam yachitvati.
Ravana kidnapped her.
Ravanah tam apaharitvam.
Hanuman came to help them.
Hanumanah tesham sahayartham agatah.
Hanuman saw her.
Hanuman tam drishtavan.
She gives
Chudamani
Chudamani to him.
Sa tasmai chudamanim dadati.
Hanuman worries for her.
Tasyaha krute Hanuman chintayati.
Rama goes to Lanka to kill him.
Tam marayitum Ramah Lankam gachati.
They went back to Ayodhya.
Te punah Ayodhyam gatavantaha.
People were waiting for them.
Janaha tan pratiksham kurvanti sma.
People were happy on seeing them.
Tan drishtva janaha prasannaha abhavan.
We are ending the story.
Vayam katham samaptam kurmaha.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha.